Hey, what's going on? How you doing? What up? What up?
How are you, sir? Bless morning to you.
Best morning to you too, bro.
How are you, sir? Where are you
I'm good.
from,
How are you?
sir?
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate that.
I'm good, sir. Where are you from?
I'm from the
Thank you.
United States
Thank.
of America.
Oh, nice. I'm from the Saudi Arabia.
No, you're not. You're lying.
No, I'm Saudi. I'm staying in Saudi Arabia.
You're
I'm
staying in Saudi
working, just
Arabia.
working. You know. You what?
What's the capital of Saudi Arabia?
KSA.
Ah, very nice.
Yes.
What's the capital of the United States?
What?
What's the capital of the United States?
Capital Riyadh.
What?
Ano? Ano? What's?
Are you being
Sorry.
disrespectful?
What? Ano ba?
Are you being disrespectful?
Capital of Canada daw.
Canada. I'm not.
I
I,
don't know.
I don't know what's the capital of Canada. Sorry, I'm not from Canada.
Man, Vicky, that was disgusting. The floors are disgusting.
What's up, dude?
I'm good. What
Yo, you
you're
think I'm
watching
handsome?
a television or what?
Yo, you think I'm handsome?
What?
You think I'm handsome?
Yes, all speak English is very handsome. Like me, I speak English. That's why I handsome also. You know, you know English. If you speak English, you are like a actor, like a Hollywood actor. It's English is very nice. English person, English people from United States, America. It's very handsome. I like your hair in your
Mm.
beard. I like your beard.
Thank you. Hold on a
Yes,
sec.
no problem. I have, I'm waiting. Where is Canada? He said, AMG. Where is Canada? I don't know it. The Canada is, Canada is from other country like abroad. Canada most English people. He living there. You know, it's very good. Africa. No, Africa. It's very far. Maybe you ride jeep. You ride. No, Africa is very far. You ride
Legit.
taxi, taxi going to Canada. Africa, I think Africa is, black people. Black people, yes. Yes, really, Africa. Saudi Arabia, too, African, like, you know, girl,